problems based on K method in proportion. So let us see few more problems now. Let me take one question. If A comma B comma C D, if A B C D are in proportion. So if A B C D are in proportion, prove that. Question is square root of a power 4, square root of a to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 by square root of b to the power 4 plus d to the power 4. That is equals to m a square plus nc square by m b square plus nd square. This you have to prove. So these problems we compulsory need to use the K method. Already given a, b, c, d are in proportion. So we can take let if a, b, c, d are in proportion, a by b is equal to c by d. You know that. That you can take k. If you observe, numerators are a and c, denominators are b and d. Here also same. Numerator is ac, denominator is b and d. So ac we will convert in terms of bd using this k method concept. If you observe here, a by b is equal to k and c by d is equal to k, right? If a by b is equals to k means a is equals to bk, you can write, and c by d is equals to k. So from this c is equals to dk. So a in terms of b, c also in terms of d, along with the k, right? A is equals to bk and c is equals to d into k. This will substitute in the LHS and RHS separately. So let's take left hand side. LHS is given square root of a to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 by square root of b to the power 4 plus d to the power 4. So since we can't take LHS and directly substitute RHS, we need to take LHS and apply these terms in this. We'll simplify. Whatever answer you get, for that we'll apply again RHS. If you get the same answer for LHS and RHS finally, then it's proved. Right? Now we need to substitute here. That is square root of a to the power 4. In the place of a, b into k. A to the power 4 is b to the power 4 and k to the power 4 plus c to the power 4, that is dk. So d to the power 4 into k to the power 4 we can write by denominator as it is, not changing, b to the power 4 plus d to the power 4 as it is. Let us take the common from the numerator. So square root of k power 4 we can take common. So k to the power 4 if we take common, for that square root into remaining also you can apply the square root. So that is b to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 divided by square root of b to the power 4 plus d to the power 4. Here is this both are get cancelled. Square root of k power 4, that we can write k square whole square, square and root cancel, k square. Let be equation 1. We got k square. Now similarly we'll take RHS. So here is RHS is right hand side, that is m a square plus nc square by m b square plus nd square. Same way you can apply. In the place of a and c, just to substitute bk and dk. So m a square, a is b into k. So a square is b square k square plus n c square, c is dk. So that is d square k square by mb square plus nd square as it is. Now you can similarly like previous, you can take the what we can common, k square is the common from the numerator. Remaining if you see, that is b square and m is left. So b square m or same mb square plus n d square is numerator divided by same mb square plus nd square is the denominator. Can cancel this both. Then we got k square equation 2. You can see here LHS and RHS we got the same from equation 1 and 2. So from 1 comma 2, LHS is equal to RHS. That is a given. So hence proved. We can write. So the important thing is you need to observe the question first, because numerator is AC and denominator is B and D. Here also numerator is AC and denominator is in terms of B and D. So one we can convert. And one more problem I will show that is different in case the question is like this. Okay, see here. Same, if A, B, C, D are in continued proportion. Here A comma B comma C comma D are in continued. If they are in continued proportion, so prove that. If the question is A cube plus B cube plus C cube divided by B cube plus C cube plus D cube is equals to A by D. So A, B, C, D are in continued proportion, but A, B, C is numerator and B, C, D also denominator. Some are combined. So like these problems, use the same K method. Because of A, B, C, D are in continued proportion, we can write A by B is equals to B by C is equals to C by D. This is for continued proportion we learned previous. So let this you can take K. Now all A, B, C will convert into the only single variable, that is in terms of D will write. Okay, so if you observe, A is equals to BK. Okay, A by B is equal to K, right? So A is equal to BK and B is equals to CK. Similarly, C is equals to DK. This is the first step. But A in terms of B, B in terms of C, C in terms of D. But everything in terms of D only I should write. Okay, then from this B is equals to C into K, but C is DK, right? So C is DK, only K is there, K square. And from this A is equals to B into K, but B is DK square. DK square, only K is there, K cube it is. Okay, this is, so A is in terms of D and K, B also in terms of D and K, and C also in terms of D and K. Now these three will apply in this LHS to get RHS. Okay, let us take LHS and we will simplify first. That is, LHS is A cube plus B cube plus C cube by and B cube plus C cube plus D cube. Let us see, you will get same RHS, or else you can take again RHS, will apply same, we will get the same for both. A cube, okay, if you observe, A is DK cube, so A cube is D cube, K cube and whole cube is K power 9, 3 3 0, plus B cube, so B is DK square, so this is D cube and K to the power 6 because 3 2 0, plus C cube, C is D into K, so C cube is D cube and K cube we can take. Okay, this is for the numerator, and denominator is again B cube, same. So D cube K power 6 plus D cube K cube plus, and D cube is as it is. So that means everything we are converting into last letter, that is A, B, C, D, no? So we'll convert it in terms of D. Let us simplify this. Okay, what we can take common, D cube is there, K cube I am taking common from the numerator. Let us take K cube common, so this becomes D cube and K to the power 3. If you take common, it's a K power 6. Yeah, because 3 plus 6 is 9. Plus K cube is common, so D cube and one more K cube left. Plus D cube as it is, because K cube is common. Divide by, again denominator is D cube K power 6 plus D power 3 K power 3 plus D cube. Once you observe this, within the bracket it is the same. So you can cancel this part. That is equal to K cube. So we need to prove that is a by d. But if you observe k cube from first one, a is equal to d k cube. So k cube is equals to a by d. Yeah, directly we got. That is RHS we can take. If you get directly, okay. Or else take again RHS and apply. Anyway, we'll get same like k cube one. Okay. This is the way we can prove the problems when there are continued proportion in this method. According to the question, we should take the step. This is for proportion. So these are the problems based on the K method. Let us see now some more properties on proportion, and we'll see some problems based on this proportion and component dividend rules also.